Hi, welcome to Curiosity at Home. My name is Arvind and I'll be the instructor for this course. In these sessions, we learn to design and 3D print a bunch of different products. And towards the end of the course, I'll guide you to come up with your own product, which can be 3D printed and sent to you for you to use. So let me show you the design process using a vase as an example. This sketch will be used as a reference and it will make our design process easier. Now I have launched a software called Fusion 360 on which we'll be learning to design and 3D model our parts. We can insert our sketch we had created by clicking on canvas and selecting the image we had drawn. I can now select a plane on which I want to place my sketch. So I'll select the front plane, which is this one. I can change the image size and the position. Then I can click OK. The next thing we want to do is convert this into a 3D model. So we will click on sketch and I'll click on the same plane I have selected. I'm using a tool called Spline, which will help us make a curved sketch, as you can see by clicking the different points. I can also move these points around to adjust my curve to my original sketch. By drawing straight lines on the top, right and bottom, we have now closed this sketch. And the reason we have drawn half of it is because we can rotate it around the central axis to get the 3D model of our vase. We will use a tool called Shell, which will make our part into a hollow body. And we can drag this arrow or we can even type in the thickness of our hollow part. So let's say I want it to be 5 millimeters thick. And this gives us the basic shape that we wanted for the vase. I'll do one last thing, which is to make our outer edge into a rounded surface because it's too sharp right now. And use another tool called fillet, which will make our corner into a smooth surface. And that's how we design a simple 3D model, where we can also render our products by going to the render tab. And this step will give us a photorealistic image of our product so we can see how the light and shadows are going to appear. We can also add materials and colors. So I can select my surface, which can be painted in blue. I will edit this blue color to make it a little lighter, and then I can close this. When we click on make, we can select the body we want to 3D print, and this creates an STL file format, which is what the 3D printer can read and understand. This is what 3D printing looks like in action, and we can use this method to build any kind of prototype and in different materials too. This course is certified and you can learn more by visiting curiositygem.com.